Most people use AI with very simple prompts and then wonder why the results feel generic. A prompt like write a blog about AI may seem reasonable, but it doesn't provide enough information for the model to generate its best response. That's where this tool comes in. The AI prompt optimizer analyzes the prompt, evaluates it across multiple categories, identifies weaknesses, provides improvement suggestions, and generates an optimized version automatically. The goal is simple: help users create better prompts and get better results from AI models like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. Let's see how much of a difference prompt optimization can make. Here I'm testing both versions in Gemini. The first response is generated using the original prompt. The second response uses the optimized prompt generated by the application. Notice how the optimized version provides more context, structure, and direction. Because the AI has clearer instructions, the final output becomes more detailed, organized, and useful. This is exactly why prompt engineering has become such an important skill when working with modern AI systems. Let's start with a very common use case: content creation. The original prompt is simply write a blog about AI. While this tells the AI what topic to write about, it doesn't specify the audience, writing style, length, objective, or desired structure. As a result, the generated content is often generic. The optimizer identifies these missing elements and suggests improvements. It then rewrites the prompt by adding context, target audience information, content requirements, and formatting instructions. After testing the optimized version in Gemini, the response becomes significantly more focused and informative. Instead of producing a general overview, the AI now has enough guidance to create content that is much closer to what a user would actually want. This type of optimization can save time and improve content quality for bloggers, students, marketers, and professionals. For the second example, I'm using a YouTube script generation prompt. This is particularly relevant because many creators now use AI to assist with research, outlining, and content planning. The original prompt provides only a basic idea. The optimizer improves it by adding audience details, content goals, structure requirements, and output expectations. These additions help the AI understand not only what needs to be created, but also how it should be created. When the optimized prompt is tested in Gemini, the resulting script is more structured, easier to follow, and much closer to a publishable draft. This demonstrates how prompt quality directly impacts content quality. Another important benefit is consistency. When content creators work on multiple videos, maintaining a consistent structure and style can be difficult. By improving the prompt before generation, the AI receives clearer instructions every time, which helps produce more reliable and predictable results across different content topics. For the final example, let's move beyond content creation and look at a business use case. The objective here is to create a marketing campaign for a fitness application. The original prompt is broad and leaves many important decisions up to the AI. Without sufficient information, the model may generate ideas that are too generic or not aligned with business goals. The optimizer strengthens the prompt by introducing campaign objectives, audience targeting information, marketing constraints, and expected deliverables. These additions help create a much clearer set of instructions. When the optimized version is tested in Gemini, the output becomes more actionable and strategically focused. This example shows that prompt optimization is valuable not only for creators, but also for startups, marketers, business teams, and anyone using AI for professional work. It also highlights a common mistake many users make when working with AI. They focus entirely on the task they want completed, but forget to provide the information needed to complete that task effectively. A few additional details about goals, audience, constraints, and expected outcomes can dramatically improve the quality of the final response. Now let's take a quick look at how the application works. The front end is built using Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. When a user submits a prompt, the request is sent to a FastAPI backend. The backend communicates with Google's Gemini model and requests a structured analysis of the prompt. Gemini evaluates the prompt, assigns category scores, identifies issues, provides recommendations, and generates an optimized version. The response is then returned to the front end and displayed through the dashboard interface. The entire process takes only a few seconds. The project is fully documented on GitHub. The repository contains setup instructions, project architecture, API details, installation guides, and source code. I've tried to keep the structure simple and easy to understand so that developers can explore the implementation without difficulty. Whether you're interested in learning fast API, working with Gemini, or building AI powered applications, the repository can serve as a useful reference. You'll find the GitHub link in the description below if you'd like to explore the project in more detail. This was the AI Prompt Optimizer. If you found the project interesting, consider giving the repository a star on GitHub. I've also recorded a separate video showing the complete development process from start to finish. You'll find that linked in the description. And if you're interested in AI projects, automation tools, and practical applications of generative AI, consider subscribing to AI Builder Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.